Thinking of exploring Cambodia's ancient temples? Here's what you need to know before you go. 1. Cash is king. Cambodia uses US dollars and real. Both are accepted. Keep small bills charged under 1 US dollar is often given in real. 2. Get your e-visa online. Apply before you travel. It's quick, valid for 30 days, and avoids airport hassle. 3. Tuk-tuks are the way to go. Use Grab or Pass app to avoid overpaying. Always agree on the price before you ride if booking on the street. 4. Dress respectfully for temples. Shoulders and knees must be covered, especially at Angkor Wat and sacred sites. 5. Stay hydrated plus protect from heat. Cambodia is hot year-round. Bring a hat, sunscreen, and refillable water bottle. Dehydration is real. Bonus tip: catch Angkor Wat at sunrise. It's magical and worth the early wake up. Arrive before 5 a.m. for the best spot. That's your before you go Cambodia. Save this video and follow for more Asia travel guides.